Hey everyone, and welcome back to Investing Guide. The past few months have witnessed some of the most dramatic price movements across the crypto market. One cryptocurrency at the center of all that drama is Cardano ADA. Cardano has had a very eventful past few months, leading to some investors and crypto experts to believe a future price explosion was on the way. One crypto expert who seems to think that Cardano will explode is the popular Bitboy Crypto. Of course, that means that potential investors and crypto enthusiasts like us have to keep our eyes out. According to Bitboy Crypto, there's a rocket ship that's going to the moon, and that rocket ship is named Cardano, and you want to get on it before you get left behind. But why does Bitboy Crypto think so, especially with Cardano's recent downtrend in price? Why does he suspect a future price explosion for Cardano? It is certainly not unconnected to the recent developments in the Cardano blockchain, much of which will leave us very excited. Stick around until the end of the video to find out why Cardano might explode this year, and how to make the most of it. But first, before we get started, head on over and click on that subscribe button, and make sure your post notifications are on so you always keep up to date with our latest updates in the world of investing. The crypto market as a whole has been on an upward trend for the past few weeks, while Cardano has been going slightly downwards in the same time. At this time, Cardano's price is hovering at around the 70-cent mark, and Cardano is currently sitting as the 8th largest coin in terms of market cap at the time of this recording. Cardano has been experiencing a price slump over the past couple of weeks. This slump followed a period of sustained growth that lasted some weeks in January. Despite the downward trend that Cardano has been on since the end of the last year, many industry analysts, especially Bitboy Crypto, have strong reason to believe that Cardano's price will shoot up. Before we continue, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications to keep up to date on the latest Cardano news. Let's get back to the video. So, what are the big surprises that Bitboy Crypto thinks will jack up Cardano's prices and cause it to explode in the year 2022? First of all, Bitboy Crypto is really bullish on MuesliSwap. The MuesliSwap is a decentralized exchange that comes fully equipped with a launchpad, and it runs on the Bitcoin Cash blockchain. MuesliSwap utility token MILK comes with many uses, including voting, staking, priority trading, and early access. MILK has also locked in about $1 million of investment money. This is big for Cardano, as it gives a lot more usability for people holding Cardano. Another reason Bitboy Crypto thinks that Cardano will explode this year is the recently announced Verlux deal. Verlux has been dubbed the project built to dismantle the traditional NFT system. This is another bit of great news for Cardano, because Verlux aims to build a marketplace for trading NFTs. Verlux platform will benefit from the low rates and high security features of Cardano. Verlux cross-chain swap feature is what makes it so incredible. It allows for the swapping of NFTs from other blockchains over to the Cardano blockchain while remaining authentic. And that's not all. Verlux is also going to be launching a staking platform for NFTs. This platform is going to allow users to stake their tokens and then use them to farm limited NFTs. Bitboy Crypto is also bullish on the announcement that Cardano has been steadily working on extensible UTXO smart contract models for smart contracts on the Cardano blockchain. Cardano's founder, Charles Hoskinson, has already set up a team of 100 engineers and 15 companies dedicated to finishing the project by the end of September. And in line with that goal, Cardano has announced that there will be 3 hard forks this year to help implement the new eUTXO smart contract model. So is all this enough to make Cardano's price explode? Well, according to Bitboy Crypto, yes, and he says there's more to come. Bitboy Crypto said that another reason he thinks that Cardano will explode this year is because of the major updates coming to the network this year. For example, the Babbage fork. For those of you who are a bit unfamiliar, the Babbage fork, named after the father of the computer, Charles Babbage, is set to replace the Alonzo hard fork, which refers to a significant switch-up in a network's protocol that validates previously invalid transactions and blocks, or vice versa. The Alonzo hard fork was a significant boost for the Cardano blockchain, supporting smart contracts and decentralized finance apps and services. Sadly, the Alonzo hard fork still has some issues that have reduced the update's traction. Many consider the problems presented by the Alonzo hard fork as the price hasn't skyrocketed as they had expected. Many people expect the price to get much higher by now, and they're a bit disappointed at the current ADA price. Bitboy Crypto was recently asked his thoughts on Cardano's recent price movement and why it has not jumped like many expected. Bitboy Crypto explains that Cardano still has issues like congestion, but that doesn't mean that the ecosystem isn't working. And Bitboy Crypto has always stressed the importance of long-term growth on the Cardano ecosystem to the coin's price explosion. He admits that Cardano's roadmap at the start is quite different from where the ecosystem is today, but that it is no cause for alarm. He also said that Cardano continues to develop. Some projects will be added to the network, while others will be taken off the network. But that isn't really a sign that Cardano isn't growing. He also says that the slow price movement isn't a sign that the ecosystem isn't growing. He even points to the fact that some of Cardano's best price pumps happened when it hadn't launched yet. And now ADA has since launched, it's got some pretty exciting projects and updates in the pipes that will affect the price. Speaking of major updates, one recent announcement that Bitboy Crypto might believe is a sign of good things to come is the recently announced Hydra update. After more than a year in development, Hydra is finally close to being released. Hydra will boost Cardano's processing speed, and once it's integrated into Cardano, each Hydra head and stake pool will process 1,000 transactions per second. With Cardano's 3,000 stake pools, we can expect Cardano to reach up to 3 billion transactions per second. This is all thanks to Hydra's ability to process transactions off-chain. At 3 million transactions per second, most users will actually switch to the Cardano network. Many DeFi apps and services will also be launched on the Cardano. This will see Cardano's value grow in the decentralized world. Now, I'm no magician, but I think Bitboy Crypto could be excited about that Hydra project. Another development that will make crypto enthusiasts and Cardano enthusiasts like Bitboy Crypto think that the coin will explode soon is the announcement that major updates will be coming to Plutus. Plutus is the programming language used for building smart contracts and applications that could interact with the Cardano blockchain. Plutus also allows users to forge new tokens and support basic scripts on the blockchain. Plutus will be looking forward to updates like improvements on script-specific elements, increasing the size and speed of transactions in a single block. With the massive shift to decentralized finance in the corporate world, there will be a need for faster and safer smart contracts. With the latest updates to Plutus, Cardano will be a hub for decentralized finance. Services like DeFi lending and liquidity pool staking will become major services on Cardano. And these are the announcements that Bitboy Crypto thinks will make ADA shoot up to the moon. Another very exciting partnership that Bitboy Crypto might believe is huge news for Cardano's future price is a collaboration deal signed between Cardano and Chainlink Labs. Chainlink is the largest provider of Oracle services to the decentralized community, and that's why Cardano's founder Charles Hoskinson described Cardano's deal with Chainlink as an easy choice. According to him, not only will integrating Chainlink price feeds reduce the go-to-market time for Cardano developers, but it will establish a secure foundation for Cardano's DeFi ecosystem, helping make Cardano more trusted by users all around the world. The process of integration will happen in 2 phases. Phase 1 will be the initial test launch that will first bring Chainlink's crypto price feeds. The next phase will include a mainnet that will allow developers to access Chainlink's other services, including the wide range of price feeds. With all this new integration, Cardano developers will be able to use Chainlink services to build a more advanced smart contract system that will also be applied to numerous platforms and industries. All of this is in line with Bitboy Crypto's message that the Cardano network is steadily expanding despite recent price movements. And for him, all of these are enough to cause ADA's price to explode in the future. Whether or not you're a fan of Cardano, it's best to keep your eyes peeled in case Bitboy Crypto is right and Cardano's prices do explode soon.